What is the password for the Windows server, sir?
Test 1, 2, 3. Capital T. Test 1, 2, 3. Capital T. Test T. Test T-E-S-T 1, 2, 3.
If I click Alt Delete, the whole of my system wants to go off.
No, Alt Delete is you have to press it not on your system on your personal system, laptop. On the icon you open on this Windows server, that way I'm going. You see the icon here. You can see the send icon, the first icon at the edge. You see that's where you press.
The first icon where?
On the Win server, not on your personal laptop. Just move the cursor to see. Okay. Yes, you see this. Once you over on it, you see send Control or Delete there, the first icon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that what you press. Once you press it, that's Control Delete, not on your personal system.
Okay. Okay. And you said the password is what?
Test 1, 2, 3. Capital T. Test 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Test 1, 2, 3. So let's give our device an IP address. The device and IP address. Go to the control panel. You all know how to do that. Go to the control panel. See, network and
why is the thing so small like this?
Maximize it.
Okay. Is there a different way to maximize it than the way you are doing it?
It's not that small. So 168 0.14. 192. Mr. Ochuku, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
So what I would do for this, because we are still going to configure DNS and it's going to be our DNS server. So I will make it a primary DNS. 192.168.0.14. Then I will put the secondary DNS to be 8.8.8.8. Okay. IP config. Okay. Now let me try to ping is the 4 gateway. Okay, I can get to the 4 gateway. Let me try to ping .10. I can get to my email gateway. Then let me try to ping is it the window is what? Okay, I open 13. 13 now open. Okay, I can get to my window 10. We have to make sure we can get to our environment. The server was able to ping and communicate with the environment. Can I continue? Hello.
Let's test our own too.
Okay.
It's working.
Mr. Idris, are you okay? Please, the more important is just open the server. You can
Yeah.
start the Palo Alto. That one takes time. You can just start the Palo Alto, you know. But make sure you book on the server.
But I think this my own is smaller. For some reason, I don't know.
Is this small? It shouldn't be small. Maybe it's just your system.
No, it cannot be for my. I'm looking at it that no, something is really wrong with because even my the Windows, right? My Windows
Yes.
that I turn on is bigger than that one. Like my Windows
What
13
happened?
is if I open it, the size is bigger than the interface is bigger than this Windows servers. I don't know if that's how it is on your own.
You can see my own. My own is okay. I drag it up so that and I maximize it.
Oh, okay. I think it's the same size with your own. I just measured it.
So I want to change the name of my server. The computer name is SRV. So you can leave it at SRV or you can.
You went to system, right?
Yes, yes.
You went to stage.
Yes, yes, system. I went to system. Yes, you can see system. I went to system. So the normal way of changing the name of your system. So okay, change system, change name. Why is it? Just keep popping up. No. These things should stop controlling the key function process. No. Ah, after I press shifts, then this thing comes up. Computer name.
Sorry, what's the password for the Windows server?
Test
No,
1,
just
2,
click.
3.
Test 1, 2, 3.
Yes, capital T. Test 1, 2, 3.
And then my WinSAR.
Yes. Give it any name you like. It prompts us to restart
Then you change the name.
the name. Restart now. Mr. Idris, are you okay?
Yeah, putting the putting the IP network.
We'll move it down.
Well, the password is testing capital T123, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's not letting me back in.
Capital T, test 1, 2, 3.
Okay, test. Okay, I was putting test.
What's wrong with my Windows server? Where is the server? Okay, here's the server. Okay. I've configured the IP address of the server and I've changed the name. If you go to the local server, you see the name you've configured. My name is Bio. I can see the IP address is 192.168.0.14. IPv4 enabled. So we are good now. So the next thing we have to do is to set up Active Directory domain. We have to install the ADDS, Active Directory Domain Service. If you don't install the Active Directory Service, you can't work on you can't configure the Active Directory and co. But the first thing we have to do is to install the Active Directory Domain Service. Okay. Active Directory Domain Services, ADDS. So we are now on the window on our server manager. We go to manage. There are different ways of going about it, but just stay with one. Go to manage, add roles and features.
Okay.
Add roles and features. So when you add roles and features, so that's what we want to install.
Add rows and features.
Then click next. So we have to choose the local server, the role-based one is okay. So click next. Then we have to select our Active Directory Domain Services. For now, this is one you are using Bio. My one is Bio and my IP address is there. So it's okay.
Hold on, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
You click next. Then we have to select the Active Directory Domain Services. Active domain service, the one we want to install, which is the second one. Okay, that's the one I click. So then you click add features.
Add features. Okay.
I said the second one. See, the one we want to install is Active Directory Domain and Services.
Yes.
I don't want to start this. I don't want to do. We are still going to do the DCP server, the DNS, but let's do it one by one. Okay. DNS is next, right? Rather, then next, then next. Then we start this new server required install. Now we are installing our ADDS. Mr. Achuko, Mr. Idris, are you lost, Mr. Akiade?
Oh, you check mark the restart the destination server automatically, right?
No, don't do that. No, I did not check that.
Oh, okay.
Just keep next and install.
Oh, okay.
I didn't start from beginning, so I didn't know how to change
Change the words.
the address now.
Is there the same way you change the address on the system?
Okay.
The same way you give your address to your system doesn't change.
And aside that one, did you do anything before?
No, just give address. That's the main thing. You have to give an address to your system.
Okay.
After giving address to the system, then you can now come to the server to
Change the
install
name.
the Active ADDS.
All right.
No, change the name of the.
Yeah, you can leave the name if you don't want to. The name is a server there. If you don't want to change the name, just retain the name there. Okay, so we are done the installation. So the next step is to promote this server to a domain controller. You can either do it here or you can close it. Where's my server again? You can close it and come into prompt you see a danger sign arrow notification to tell you to promote this server to a domain controller. Now let's promote it. Can I wait?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Idris? Mr. Ernest? Are you okay with?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
so we said our deployment operation. So add a domain controller to it. We don't have an existing domain. We don't have an existing forest. So we want to create a new forest. So click add a new forest. Then we are going to give our domain name. I'll give my name to be maruf.com. Maruf.com. Next.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm done with everybody. The others, give a password. Please don't forget your password. Then click next. We are not creating a DNS indication now.
But mine is not letting me click inside that to create the
Yeah,
password.
it's maybe you've done the wrong thing. Maybe you did not put a domain or something.
Or maybe you didn't create add forest.
Yes, maybe you didn't click add forest. I told you to click add forest, the last one.
Yeah, that was what I clicked. And then it came to the where it said domain
And
name
you put your
system.
domain name. After putting your domain name, then you click next.
Yeah.
Or maybe you click
It's
another
just
thing.
not highlighting for me to actually click on the password and create it. It's just spinning, I'm not sure why. Like maybe it's loading. Okay, now it allows me.
Okay. Just click please. We are not using the scripts because we are not working on the CLI. You can see we don't have any error message here. So we are good to install.
After that, we'll just go next up until here, right?
Yes.
Me, I'm behind. I've installed the ADDS, so what else?
Yeah, after I sent the ADDS.
Eh?
Then you promote it to be a domain. You see the danger icon.
Yes.
Yeah, the danger icon. Once you click that
Yes.
danger sign, you see promote to a domain.
Mine has completed installation. It says the server was successfully promoted to a domain.
Okay, mine is installing. Okay. Your computer is restarting because it will restart.
So the domain controller is what?
You can give anything domain you like. I give my own Maruf.coin. You can give anything domain. Anything domain you want.
Oh, okay. Okay.
My own is still applying, it's still opening.
Mine just restarting now.
Okay. Taking time to apply. See, I've noticed also that the time on the server and your firewall and others more synchronized. So let's make sure, let me check the time here first. My time here, this one is 6:59. Let me see if I can change this time to change time and set it to my own time. So my time is 9:58. Yeah. Set time automatically. Okay. Oh, let me leave it automatically there. So I think I'll just change this. I'm not -8. I think I'm on Easter time. What's the time? Yes, I'm on Eastern time. This one, no. This one's on Eastern time. It's start time. Okay, this is start time. Okay. Can we continue? Hello.
Yeah, mine is just I just finished applying this thing now.
So now let's go to tools.
Hold on, sir, abeg o.
Okay, okay. Can we continue, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to tools. Now we have to create users. Go to Active Directory users.
Okay.
You see our domain is there.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go to the domain. Click the arrow. You see users here.
Yeah.
You can either right click on the users. Right click on the users. And let's create new. So let's create group first. Let's first create group. Two groups. I'll create one group, IT group. Okay. A group scope will be both global and security. Click OK. Then I'll create another group. Then the other group, I will name it admin. Okay. Then I will now create the users. So our users will be hacking. Lastly will be hacking ID. So the user login name, let's see, hacking at maroof.com.
Case sensitive. The user login name.
I don't think so. I think so. I can't remember, honestly. Let's just move on. I can't remember. I can't remember. Yes. But this is the one that actually matters. The one down, this one down. Click next. Now, set your password. So user must change password at the next login. This is what they will give to you in a production environment so that you can change your own password. So, but this time, let's just pick user cannot change the password. Don't have password to be changed. If they just hire you, you have to change your password. And then say our password never expires. So this way you would see account. Once you disable your account, yeah, you're fired. So finished.
You can't access that system anymore.
You can't. So I'll create more users. Let me type Ochuko.
They said my password did not meet the requirements.
Yes. I've forgotten his surname. Ochuko.
What kind of requirement like?
Capital letter must start it.
Okay.
And at least it must be it must be mixed with numbers.
Oh man, this password, what is going on? But they need special character.
Me, I didn't put a character. Just capital letter, and let the password be more than 8 letters or 8 words. So just means alphabet with numbers.
Okay.
And let's have uppercase.
Password never expires, right?
Yes. Password never expires. And user cannot change password too. Those are things I selected. So you can create as many users as you want. I'm just going to create 4 users.
You need to go back to that name you created last week. You didn't click password. Password never expired, and you didn't.
What I did. Can see our users are here. You can see Ayo and code they are here. Can I continue, please?
No, hold on, sir.
Okay. Because we need to create a service account in
You created at least 4 users, right?
yes. Then we need to create a special account for the service accounts. Now let me create the special accounts. I will name it I'll just name it PA. Are the special accounts. These accounts we are going to use to integrate our Active Directory with the Palato using LDAP protocol.
Prof, did you name it special account or?
I just name it PA.
Yeah, okay.
I mean PA, just PA. You see, it's just a PA. I just name it PA. That's all. PA. So this PA, we are going to give in certain privileges. So we are going to add this user to certain groups. Okay. So right click on it. Go to properties.
Hold on. Hold on, sir. Give us 1 minute, sir. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. We're going to right click on that PA.
Yes.
When we right click, what do we click on?
Just right click on it and click properties.
Okay, properties. Okay. Okay.
Okay, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now click member of. Want to add it, want to give some privileges. Click member of. So now let's click add. Let's type the members distributed. Distributed. You can click check names. Okay. This will come users. Then click OK. Let's add domain. Check names. So it's going to be domain users. Click OK.
Looks like my own domain user was there.
Okay, it's already there. Okay, it's already
Yeah.
there. Yes, it's already there. Then events, check name, event log reader. Yes. Then server operator.
Server operator.
Yes, server operators. Check name, server operators. Then we apply it. Then we click OK. Okay. So it has been given some privileges. So you can verify it again by just opening it, going to
Member of.
its members. Is there. Okay, can I continue, please? Can I continue, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to go to our WM authentication. This part is just type WMI. It should be able to take you there. Or let's use our run. No, just type WMI. WMI.
I'm sorry, you said we should choose what? Wrong.
Yes. I'm trying to go to this place. I use it on to click there. Okay.
I went to wrong, but I didn't get that.
Okay. Let me show you again.
Okay.
Go to run.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
So on the run, just type this there. WMIMGMT.ms. Let me copy it and put it on the chat.
MCS. MIMGMT.MCS.
WMIMGMT.MSC.
MSC. Okay.
Okay. We are there?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you are here,
You do?
go to your run and type the command I give to you on the
And
chat.
click enter.
You just click OK on your run.
I clicked OK, but WMINGNT, right?
Yeah, .ms.
Um,
But
MSC.
MSC. Yeah,
MS is on the
I want to add
chat,
this.
please.
Has anyone got in? It's saying Windows cannot find WMINGNT.MSC. Make sure you type the name
Yeah,
correctly.
just copy what Prof posted on the chat
Okay.
there. Because me, I'm in already.
Okay.
So now let's right click here. Once you right click, go to properties. And go to security. So we are trying to modify the security properties of the ADS server so that they can connect the device. Go to security and on the roots, put the plus sign and find this. Select this. CMI V2. Can I continue?
Yes, please.
CMI V2 and click security. Then we are going to add our agents that we created that P8, this, just click PA, just type PA, and let's check the name. You can see it's there. Then click OK. Then we are going to give you certain privileges. Check execute method. You can check for if you like. We don't need that. Provide writer. And those are the ones that are important. Enable accounts, set it there.
Remote enable.
Remote enable. Thank you. Security
Yeah, read security.
and ID security. Thank you. Yes, those are the important ones. And you can give it full right if you want. Click apply and click OK. Okay. Yeah, done yet. We are done now. Active Directory parts. Can I continue? Hello, can we continue, please?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
Okay. Now let's go to our device tab. Your setup. We need to define the service route. We need to define the service route.
Find the service route.
So the service route, it allows we, the administrators, to control which interfaces the firewall uses for the outbound management traffic. By default, all management-related services like DNS, LDAP, NTP, syslog, updates, it uses a management interface. However, the service route configuration can allow you to specify alternative interfaces for your service routes. Okay, so we can specify our own service routes. So it's better to use our service route. Let our service route be under another interface instead of it to be the default, the management interface. But we can leave it to still work, but let's go for the best practice. Because if your management interface is down, they're going to have issue. And most of the time, the management interface are not always up. Okay. So our service route will be on my own internet 4. So I will change my DNS, since I'm going to change my DNS. I want it to be using a source interface to be interface 4. You can leave it to management for management, but interface 4. Then the most important are the Kerberos and the LDAP.
The LDAP is the authentication type for
Yes, that's the protocol. Please,
LDAP.
what's the LDAP port? You can Google it. So once you Google the LDAP port, for now, these are the ones we want to use now. I'll change another one.
389.
And 39 and what's again?
636.
Okay, 636 is the secure version, while 389 is the unsecure version.
Unsecured. Yeah.
So we already customize our, I don't want to change any other one. These are the one we need. DNS and this.
Mr. Vai,
Yes, sir.
please, Kerberos, is he also an authentication type
Yes.
used for Active Directory?
Yes. Not only for Active Directory. Okay. Now let's go and configure our header protocol. We have to create our header server. You can see these are the server profile.
Please, can you give me 1 minute?
Well,
1 minute.
Okay.
So
Okay.
on that, so we only just did the LDAP and the
We did the
the-
DNS, LDAP, and Kerberos.
mm, we like we'll just click on it and put the interface.
Yes.
We don't need to check it, right? Because mine is like it is not checked, right? You just click on OK once I put the interface for those three.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Can
we continue? Please, we are now LDAP. Let's create an LDAP server profile. You click add. Let's give it a profile name, any name you want. Let's go with our Active Directory, maybe profile. Okay. Then we are going to indicate our LDAP server. Our LDAP server is our Active Directory server, which is 192.168.0.14. This is the name, right? Our Active Directory server. So it's going to be 192.168.0.14. You can see the ports 389. And the type of our server setting, that our type is Active Directory. See, and the bind, this is tricky. So we have to type the PC Maruf, comma, DC.
You said bind. This is the base.
That's the base rather, sorry.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. So this is how you put it. Your domain, the domain. That's how they made it. It's not us. Then
is there space?
No space.
no space. pamaruf.com. Then our password, the same password you use.
PA, right?
Yes.
Sorry, after Maruf, is there comma there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
In the production environment, you are going to require SSL for secure connection. But since we are not using SSL here, let's uncheck this.
Does that mean the Active Directory needed to be created in the SSL? Yes.
Yes, we are going to have certificates in the production environment because we are going over the internet. When saying over the internet, you must have SSL for secure connection. Okay. Let me click OK. We created our LDAP profile. Then our authentication again file. So this time around, I'll create another authentication profile. I'll create another one for our active name. Okay. Let me name it Active Directory. Active Directory. Okay, authentication profile. Remember when we were working on our captive portal yesterday, and also our global portal, we use local database. So this one we are going to use LDAP. And it's going to ask for your LDAP server profile, the one we just created.
Okay. Okay.
So we're going to add our header profile. Then we are going to add our login attribute. This one attribute is called SAM.
Hmm?
We are going to enter our login attribute. It's called SAM account. These are accounts. There's nothing you can do about it. This is the way they want you to write it. SAME accounts. The name
In that
format.
format.
Yes. SAM accounts. See, these are, if you don't write
AMA
it,
in capital, then
yes.
the N in capital.
Yes,
Voila.
exactly. Then our user domain is maruf.com. Are we good?
Continue.
Then we go to the advanced tab. Remember, we have to go to the advanced tab.
Allow.
Then click add. See, for now, I will allow all. For
But
now,
in our advanced tab, the users we are seeing are the
yeah,
users
because our Active Directory
local
has not,
government.
our Active Directory is not yet connected.
Okay.
Okay, it's not yet connected. You can change the account
So
logout.
is the part we are supposed to be seeing, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So we are going to, it's not yet connected. It's not yet connected. Now, after configuring our authentication method, we are going to configure and map into the monitoring system. Can I continue? Okay. Now let's go to our user identification. The same thing we did on our captive portal, but this time we are not going to the captive portal. We are going to user mapping. So click the G button, the edits. And put the username. Mine is Maruf /P. This. Oh no. There's 1, 2, 3. This user. This user. This is the name we are putting. Maruf/P. Maruf/P. And the password. Domain DNS name. Let's put this one. I'm not sure this one is that important. Can I continue, please? In the server monitor, the log is enabled. Then the client probing must be disabled. Be disabled by default. I think we are good there. Then I'll go to, then we have to add our server.
Okay, you just slow down a little bit.
Okay.
And this where we put the domain's name,
Yes, just put the domain in.
password.
Yes, domain and password, that's all.
Then on that Kerberos server, we didn't
Yes,
select
don't
anything.
think that. Just put the domain, that's the major thing.
Then okay, or do we move to
Yes,
this server
just okay.
monitor?
Server monitor will not do anything there. This is our server. You have to put that. We got our server monitor here.
So
You have to add
what
our
we have in the domain name, DNS name.
You can the name you put on your Active Directory. I put maruf.com.
Oh, okay.
Video. But where did you click to get here? I'm on
See the
this.
server mode.
Yeah, I'm there.
Just click add.
Add, okay.
Then you put this server IP address, which is 192.168.0.14. So if our server is good, the status will be connected to be green. Or if not, nothing is connected now. So this one, share this. So let me just commit now. Because we've added so many things to the device update and device group.
The network address, do we put the network?
The network, the server, your server IP address. That's
Okay.
Yes, that is server.
Okay.
I think it's not giving me any error. So that is good. Then we have to go to the group mapping to map. Can I continue? I'm on the group mapping setting. AD group. Then we are going to add a server profile. Our server profile, the one we created for the LDAP. And the user domain is Maruf, maruf.com. I think you can either put the Maruf or maruf.com, both to work. Let's try Maruf first. If it does not work, then I'll come here and put .com. Then you go to the group lists. You can see now our domain is here. The base we created is here. Now, just click the arrow in front of it. It will show everything inside your Active Directory, if your Active Directory is connected to it. Let's see, we have users here. We have users. So under the users, want to add the groups.
When it says connect error,
Yes, because there's an error in your configuration that was giving a connect error.
Mine is giving the same error.
Yes. Have you committed?
Yeah.
yes, I did.
You committed and it's giving error when you committed.
No.
Didn't give error when we
When I-
connected.
Okay. So there's error in your configuration. I'm going to look at it. So I don't want to add these users. Let me be sure the group they are in before I do this. Let me find one of the users because I not put them in the group. Ooh. Wow. Oh, okay. I use domain users. So let me find domain users here. Okay, these are domain users. Okay, I've already added them now. Okay, these are domain users. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to add any other users again. Domain users. This,
think that's all, sir.
Huh?
I said that's all, sir.
That's all.
You didn't create any.
Yes. I think we have to go to our zones. Then yeah. It's our management zone that we added. It's okay. It's okay. And let me commit. Oh, we are connected. See,
Yeah.
Well done, Prof. This process is long. Hey,
we are connected. Yes, we are connected now. We are connected. You can see our server is connected. So let's go to our monitor tab. You don't want to lose. So the next thing we are going to do tomorrow is for us to now try to test our user authentication. Then we are going to create our DNS server. We are going to create our DNS server. See the user here. And see the user. So this is the rule we are going to create. This part of the rule we are going to create. So we're going to streamline management to trust, add our users there, then under rule management to management. See, because we have two rules, the management to management and management to trusts.
Management to management.
So we are going to now any rule we see there, you see. You can see our type user ID is there, connection events. You can see our LDAP 0.14. It's in the system. I see when you go to the user ID, you see Active Directory working. So we are going to come, we are also finished, we come here to learn about troubleshooting and authentication to our global protects and every other things. Okay. I know the process is long, so let's stop here. It's long, so everybody can catch up. I did not send yesterday video.
Please send it to
monitor statistics.
The spelling for the statistics is wrong.
Okay, it's wrong, right?
Yeah, you missed I.
Okay. Okay, 36. Okay. Can see say our host is this and our status is connected. Let me use state too. Zero four no four. So monitor. And state not working. Oh, okay.
There's something we did that we're getting error connect. There's something we missed, and I just went.
Victoria. Okay. Yeah, I'm connected to this. Yeah, this is the user that is connecting now. Yes. Okay. So let's stop here. I will send the recording to everybody. So tomorrow we can finish it. The
Please
DCP
send
and
yesterday's or two.
we send both.
Right.
Okay. Have a nice day, sir.
Shit.